Hello everyone, this is Maggie. Today I'm going to show you our software engineering project, Virtual Stock Trading System. I work with Justin Kim and Ashnor Jandu. First, I would like to have a brief introduction of our system. Virtual Stock Trading System is a web-based application that allows students from University of Waterloo who have passion in finance and stock trading to practice their trading strategies. With the use of virtual money, this system allows students to buy and sell stocks at any time, and thus they could have a better understanding of the operation of real capital market. The most attractive part of our system is that students could open an account free, start with $5,000 virtual money. Our system is mainly developed with PHP, HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, and Ajax. Now, let me walk you through our system. Suppose we have a user whose name is Vivian. So Vivian, okay, and her password, and she entered her password, and let's log in. Oh, what happened? Oh, seems Vivian got her username or password wrong. Now let's go back and try it again. Okay. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, cool, it works. Now let's go to our main page. So as you can see here, there are 4 tabs here, which are 4 main functions of our system. The first of all is general stock search. In this page, you can see the stock trends of current portfolio reports. So the user can choose one of the 8 stock we have, and to get more information, detailed analysis of the stock. So suppose if the user is interested in Adobe, and she click here, you can see there are 2 tables jump out. The first one is the analysis for Adobe, and the second one is the historical data for Adobe. The first table, this part is the abbreviation of the stock of the company name, which is called ticker, so ADBE. This is the number of days the price increase, percentage of days the stock price increase, number of days stock price decrease, percentage of days the price decrease, and here is the best buy value and the best sell value. These numbers are actually calculated based on algorithm that we have developed, and as well as the best buy value part and the best sell value part, they are all calculated based on the algorithm. So this part will give user a direct impression about the movement or behavior, or I would say the performance of a particular stock. If the user is interested in the long-term or say the historical price movement of the stock, they could always check out the table below. So this part is just the historical price of the stock. So you can see the date, open price, high low price, close price, volume, amount change, percentage change. So amount change is basically the difference between open price and the close price, reflects the difference of the stock price within between the open price and the close price. Those data are put from Yahoo Finance directly, and so you can see all the information here are up to date. This part is coded by Ajax mainly. The following are some general information about stocks, so if user get confused what type of stocks they would like to buy and the different classes of stocks, they can always check the information below. As I mentioned, there are like 8 stocks in our system right now. So Adobe, BlackBerry, CGI, XEL, Facebook, IBM, OpenText, and RMIT. So they could just click any of the stocks that they are interested and to get better idea about the movement or the behavior, the performance of the stock. Next part I'm going to show you is called virtual stock trading. This part is our main part of the whole system, since it provides a platform for the user to trade their stock. The first table here, it shows the up-to-date price of the stock in our system. So you can see the open price, high price, low price, close price, and volume for the 8 stocks in total. And in the following part, the user can actually do the trade, say by enter the amount they want to trade. So I have a few examples here. I can show you. Okay, suppose the user just want to play around with the system and say do a testing or something, and she can just don't type anything there and click submit transaction, and for sure this will return an error message saying invalid input since user didn't actually do anything. However, like if the user just say be naughty and type something that makes sense to buy negative amount of stock and submit the transaction, there'll be another invalid input. The arrows jump out. However, if the user actually interested in complete a transaction, so what they can do is say, for example, they would like to, she would like to sell five shares of Adobe, and she just click submit transaction. It will show sales transaction completed. Our assumption for the system is that the user is not allowed to do short sell. So short sell, it means the user can't sell something they don't have on hand right now. So they can only sell the stocks they have in their portfolio already. So yeah. So another example would be if the user would like to say sell 3 shares of IBM, 2 shares of OpenText, and 1 share of RMIT, and she already has those portfolios in her those stocks in her portfolio, and she wants to sell it, so she submits the transaction. And okay, all right, you can see the sell transaction is completed here. Next, okay, so that's all about the virtual stock trading part. Next, let's go to the My Account part. My Account part basically shows the user's detailed information, so say the username, passwords, the email, and the actual balance, virtual money balance on hand. They can update their information anytime, but not the balance, obviously. So if she click update, and so she can update her name, so say Vivian, and change her password to 7777, and okay, let's submit this. And so the changes has been completed. So let's see if it actually changes. Okay, so we can see the updated result here, Vivian, and the new password are here. Okay, so that's all about my account. Next, I'm going to show you discussion form. So our motivation for the discussion form is that we would like to encourage students to discuss with each other to share their idea with their peers. So when they have, say, a good trading strategy, and they could share with someone else, so that they, instead of starting alone, they can actually study together and find out the best trading strategies which will be benefit for them in the long run. Okay, so in the discussion form, this part, the user are able to create new topic and answer others questions. And okay, for example, create new topic. So what topic should I put here? So today is Thanksgiving, so there shall be a huge movement in stock market today. So my question will be, how is the stock market like today? And my detail is today is Thanksgiving. Any impact on stock market? Please let me know. All right, my name is Vivian. Okay, and my email is vivian@uwaterloo.ca. Let's submit this. Okay, it's been posted successful. Let's go back and check out our topic. Okay, so it's here. It's been posted already. So here is the time. Here is the date and time that is being posted. And you may wondering why this time is so is this one, like it's kind of weird because like the server we use is in Korean. It is a Korean server, so like the time just a little bit different from Canadian time. But anyway, so let's go back. Say if I'm interested in one of the topic, and if I click one of it, so I can see, okay, someone actually asked another interesting question here. So Maggie asked, what does future mean? So I'm still confused about the concept of future. Could anyone give me an example for that? For sure, Vivian said. Okay. Vivian. Okay, so Vivian said, okay, I can't give you an example, but I can actually tell you another concept of future. So it will be future contract obligating the buyer to purchase an asset at a predetermined future date and the price. Okay, that's my answer. I'm gonna submit right now. Okay, it's been submitted successfully. Okay, let's see my answer. So you can see here's my ID since I'm the first user answer this question. And yeah, I'm Vivian and my email address. So like Maggie, if she wanna ask me further, she can just email me instead of post on the discussion forum. And here's my answer. So everything's here. Let's go back. See anything else? Okay, so there are 3 postings here. Okay, nothing more interested. Okay, so here is our system. So basically these are the main functions of our systems. In terms of the future enhancement, I would say the first enhancement should be made is for the virtual stock trading part. After the transaction is completed, users should be able to see the update on their account immediately. So say if I sell like say 1 unit of one share of Facebook. So other than sell transaction being completed, I wish to see the detail reflected on my account or on my portfolio that I actually sold one share of Facebook. This is something we really need to add in the future. Another thing we could change is about our user interface. This whole user interface is coded with mostly with CSS and HTML, but it could be look nicer. So like we will try to improve that in the future. But that's all the functions we have here. So that's all. So wish you like our presentation and thank you very much. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.